Okay, right. Now it is started. Yeah, now you see, children, what is the shaded region?
2 by
2, ma'am.
2.
2 out of
2 out of 6.
6,
2
ma'am.
out of 6. Very good. Now my question to my students is the left side and right side figures both are same or not? I want to
No,
know.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Someone
ma'am.
said, Daksha
No,
said yes. Daksha said yes, it's true, really true. Why Daksh?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, because
Yes.
2 by 6 is equivalent to 1 by 3. Like,
Very good. If you reduce that with the two table common factors, if you eliminate those, it's nothing but
1 by
1
3.
by
1 by 3.
3.
Yes.
Very good. These
Yes,
two are
ma'am.
equivalent fractions. Very good. So now you have to check, children. This value is 1 by 3. This value is 1 by 3. Always a fraction is nothing but the lowest form. You need to represent the fraction always in simplest form. Right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So now can I write this as 1 by 3 equal to 2 by 6? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Yes. Why? Because these two are what type of fractions, children? These two
Equivalent.
Ma'am,
Equivalent.
equivalent, ma'am.
are very good, Nana. These two are equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions. How you are getting equivalent fractions? You just look at a glance, children. How you are getting equivalent fractions by multiplying both sides, numerator and denominator with
By
the
2.
same number, you are getting your equivalent fractions. So not only multiplying, by dividing also you will get. In this case, we are dividing. Yes or no, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Here 2 by 6 is there. To get 1 by 3, what we are doing? We are doing the both sides the division with the 2. 2 ones are 6. So that
Ma'am, by numerator.
both we should do. Either numerator.
Yes, ma'am. Both by. Ma'am, we have to both. We need to
Numerators
divide by
and
numerator.
Very good, Nana. That is very important point. Equivalent fractions will get by multiplying numerator and denominator with same number.
Same number.
Not only multiplying, by doing division also we will get equivalent fractions.
Yes.
That's the point. Please remember, Nana. That's the only word you need to remember here. Equivalent fractions. What is the spelling for equivalent, children?
Ma'am,
EQUI.
EQUIVALENT. Ma'am, fractions.
Equivalent fractions. Spellings also please learn, children, because you are the grade 6 equivalent fractions. How you will get equivalent fractions? By two or more fractions that represents the same value. Two or more fractions that represents the same value, we can call it as equivalent fractions. That points you write, children, step by step. So only few points I will give. I'm not going to give much of your notebook. Two fractions, two or more fractions, two or more fractions, not only two or more fractions, two or more fractions, two or more fractions that represent the same value, that represents the that represents the same value, that represents the same value, that represents the same value. Then we call it as equivalent fractions. That's why we are getting 1 by 3 equal to 2 by 6. So
2 by 6.
now you can write many equivalent fractions, Nana, Drona. How we can get many equivalent fractions? By multiplying and divide, or multiply both the sides. Suppose if I want to multiply 1 by 3 with 3 on both sides, what I will get? 1 3s are 1 3s are
3.
3 3s are 9.
9.
If you reduce also, what happens, children? Which table you can reduce here?
3.
3 table. If you reduce also, you will get the same answer. That's why how you will get equivalent fractions? By multiplying or dividing with the same number. We are getting dividing with numerator and denominator with both numbers. We call it as equivalent fractions. Definitely some of the part 1 mark bits they will test equivalent fractions, children. Now, can I give these questions? They will ask in our textbook. There are really, it's nice how it is given. you need to think not only in the 6th, 7th class also you have these varieties of questions. Let me go with that part, how equivalent fractions. Replace the denominator. Just a minute, Mama. Shall I go down, children? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am.
Equivalent fraction in our textbook, how they are asking questions means you just say 2 by 7 equivalent to 8 divided by, we don't know this denominator. You need to find out this denominator. We know that how you are getting equivalent fractions by, here you see numerator, Nana. Numerator is reduced or increased? Raised or reduced, Nana? Please don't write first. Listen, Nana. I will give time to you. I will give time to you, children. Please listen first. Listen. Now, in this case, numerator 2 by 7. In this case, 2 is reduced or raised. Please let me.
Raised, ma'am.
Raised means what you should do, children? You need to do multiplication.
Multiplication.
If any case reduction is happens means you need to do division, children. That
Division,
is,
ma'am.
division. Now here 2 multiplied with what number gives you 8, children?
Ma'am, 4.
4.
Multiplied with 4 gives 8. Same number you should multiply for denominator too.
Ma'am, so 7 4s at 28, ma'am.
7 4s are 28.
28, ma'am.
And the missing
Unknown
number will be 28.
Unknown
Yes,
number
ma'am.
is 28. Very good, children. Can I give task for you right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, children.
Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am. Can I write this?
Right. If you write, I will give task. Sometimes reduced, sometimes raised, children. Raised case, multiplication. Reduced case, division. I need to see Drona, but Drona off the video. Why Drona? Who other students are there in the meet? Any others? Sri Harsha?
Sri Harsha joined, ma'am.
Okay. Sri Harsha, are you there, Nana? Harsha? Harsha, please. Harsha, please respond, Sri Harsha. Any message Sri Harsha kept, ma? Please check and send.
No, ma'am, he didn't give.
Harsha, are you there? Daksh, which school, Nana, you are?
Ma'am, I study in Kennedy Hadza Global.
Right. No need of writing many things, children. My intention, you need to learn the points.
Ma'am, we learned, ma'am.
Yeah, it should be.
Ma'am, I have written everything.
Yes, ma'am, I also completed.
Because if you keep in the mind when your teacher is teaching, you never forget, children. You involve, you need to
Yes, ma'am.
enjoy the lesson. You need to enjoy. You should not take as it's a tough task. Now your targets will be fixed. I'm going to give the questions to you. Come on quickly. You suppose.
Ma'am, do we need to write the questions also?
Yes, Nana. Yes.
Okay.
First question, A bit already we completed. Can we go with B bit? 5 by 8 and numerator is in.
And then we'll private chat you, ma'am.
Yes, you can should put in private chat all together. I'm seeing continuously who are giving correct answers like that. I'm checking also, children. 3 by 5. We don't know the numerator part. We are taking denominator as 20. Same procedure, children, either numerator or denominator, whatever the things are given. No need to worry. The same task you're supposed to do. In D bit, it is decreased, children. D bit, it is decreased. You have to see carefully. D bit, what you should do, children? Is it multiplication or division in D bit?
Division, ma'am.
Come on, children, please think. D and E are division, Nana. Drona, I didn't get your responses. Drona, what is a B bit? Can you please see what is numerator is increased or decreased?
We have to do multiplication, ma'am.
A multiplication with what number?
Ma'am, with 2, ma'am.
So if it is multiplied with 2, 5 2s are 10. So same thing you should do for denominator, right?
16, ma'am.
Right, very good. Next question goes to again the question. Sri Harsha, are you there, Sri Harsha? Very good, Drona. Next, Daksh. Daksh.
Yes, ma'am.
Here denominators are given. Daksh, same case. Is it increased or decreased?
Ma'am, increase.
So what you should do?
Ma'am, multiplication.
Multiply with 4. Multiply with 4.
4.
5 4s are 20. Same number you should do for numerator also.
Yes,
So what
ma'am.
is the value here?
12.
Good. Daksh. Next, Yadharth. Yadharth.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yadharth, Nana, here numerator 45 to reduce 15.
Ma'am, 15 3s are 45, ma'am. Actually.
Very good. 15
Ma'am,
3s are 45.
So we need to figure out what 3s are equal to 60, ma'am.
Exactly.
Or 60 divided by 3, ma'am. Which is 20, ma'am.
Very good, Nana. Very good. Very good. So it is 20. Good job. Next again question goes to Daksh. Daksh.
Yes, ma'am.
Last bit, Nana, please.
Ma'am, here it is reduced. So, ma'am,
Very good.
it's division.
Division with what? So how you have to think? 4 table when you will get 24, like that you need to think. Or
Ma'am, I
else you
sent
have
you
to
all the
simply
ma'am,
divide
I
it.
sent you all the answers in chat.
Okay, right, Nana.
Ma'am, 6.
Very good. 6 4s are 24. So same number you need to divide. So 18 divided by 6 you will get?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 18 divided
By 6. That means 6 table when you will get 18. Nana, Daksh, you muted, Nana. 6 table when you will get 18.
Ma'am, 3s are.
That's all. That's all. Very good.
Mistakenly muted, ma'am.
Very good. Very good, Nana. Right. This is one variety of question, children. The same thing, this question, in another way they will test it. That part we will discuss. Shall I go with the further, children? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. I think my students are completed before me. Okay, right, Nana, you're good. Next, 4th question. You just see 4th question. Find the equivalent, right, Drona?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I do the next sum, ma'am?
Sure, Drona. This is also that part of varieties of question, but a word problem it is given. You just give answer, Drona, please.
Okay, ma'am.
Find the equivalent. Everyone should get chance, but Sri Harsha is not responding. That's my worry. Equivalent fractions. Spelling, don't we make mistakes, children? Equivalent fraction. Equivalent. Find equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 having 3 by 5 having. The questions are like that, Nana. A bit denominator. Denominator means down portion, right, children? Denominator.
Yes, ma'am.
What is upper portion?
Numerator.
Very good, Nana. B bit. Numerator is, I'm writing simple form, children. NR means numerator. DR means denominator. For my easiest, denominator is 9. And C bit, denominator is 30. DR means denominator, Nana. And 4th one is numerator should be equal to 27. Now, you need to tell. This question you have to arrange our previous method, Nana, which is equivalent fraction of 3 by 5. So this can be written as 3 by 5 equal to numerator or denominator is given first bit. Drona.
Denominator, ma'am.
Denominator means I should write up or down?
Down, ma'am.
Down. Very good. Denominator.
Ma'am, it's 5 4s are, ma'am.
Very good. 5 4s are 20.
Yes, ma'am. And sorry, ma'am. 3 3s are, ma'am.
Same number, Nana. 5 4 times. If you multiply it up, also you need to multiply with 4 only. Same number you should multiply.
Yes, ma'am. 12, ma'am.
Very good. 3 4s are 12. That's all. Like that. Next question. Who will give answer? Sriharsha. Sriharsha. Who will give next bit answer? Are you ready, children? Who will give next bit answer? Daksh, can you give the next bit answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Same thing here also. Same common fraction 3 by 5. Numerator means where I should write Daksh?
Ma'am, numerator means up.
Up. So denominator we don't know. You need to find out denominator. So it is
Ma'am, ma'am, 3 is ma'am, as we are raising it, ma'am, we have to do multiplication, ma'am, by 3.
Very good. So down also.
So, ma'am, by 3 only.
Okay. Then what is the value, denominator value?
Ma'am, 15.
Right, Nana. That's all. Now next my question goes to, wait, I didn't get answer. Harsha, Sri Harsha, mom is calling you, but he is not responding. Need to intimate the parents, children, because the parents are trusting on us. They are living here. You need to do good job, children, always. My student should be honest. If you really pain means, please let me know. I will help you. I will tell to your parents. If any pain you have. Next, children, here the same thing. Your turn, Nana.
Yes,
Yadad,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This is the third bit is your turn.
Ma'am, denominator means down, ma'am.
Right? Then
Ma'am, 5, ma'am, 5 6, ma'am.
right. Then
5 6 30. Ma'am, so 3 6, ma'am, 18, ma'am.
Very good, Nana. Right. Next, who will give the last one?
Ma'am, it's just multiplication.
Ma'am, can I answer, ma'am?
Yes, Drona. Yes, Drona.
Ma'am, ma'am, numerator is 27, ma'am. So it's 7s are 27, ma'am. 9s are, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Is it numerator means can I write up or down, Drona?
Up, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. I told by mistake 7, ma'am. It's 9, ma'am.
Very
3
good.
9s are.
Okay. Then same number you should multiply.
Yes, ma'am. 45, ma'am.
Very good, Nana. Very good.
Ma'am, can you give like these types of questions now? Division, ma'am.
Sure, Nana. Division only you are feeling difficult. I will give. Anyway,
Yes,
I will give.
those sums are a little different from these, ma'am.
No. That is also easy. But my students, your small brains will think sometime. That's all. Nothing difficult. You will take little more time. I should give such varieties of question. You need to think means my children brain should be increasing means what I should do. I should give such a varieties of question. Right, Nana. We'll go with the fifth bit, the same variety of question. Here, equivalent fraction is given as 36 by 48, Nana. 36 by 48. And the numerator, this is a bit I'm taking. Numerator is given as 9. Numerator means upper region. And denominator you need to find out. We don't know denominator is a question mark.
Okay.
Yes, who is giving? Can I go with Daksh this question? Yes, Daksh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Daksh, please.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, ma'am, as we are reducing, we have to divide.
Very good, very good. It is reducing, so we are dividing. What number you should divide? That is important. 9 table,
yes,
when you will get 36, Nana. 9 table, when you will get 36. That's
4.
Very good. So you should divide with 4. So same number you should divide with 4. So if you don't know also, you can go with the normal division also, Nana. 4 1s are 4. So bring down 8. 4 2s are
12, ma'am.
12. So can we, which is our blank?
12, ma'am.
12. The 12
right.
is
Right. Next task, don't give answer, children. Put directly in the chart box. The first chart is appreciable.
Okay.
First chart, first two will be appreciable. And the denominator given as 4, you need to find out numerator. Yes, I got one chart from one student. Yes, Drona answered the question. Drona answered the question. Drona, little please check once again, Nana.
Yes, ma'am.
Please check once again. You are trying your level best. I'll appreciate you. Please once again check.
Ma'am, I came.
Okay. I think Yadadhi, you are absolutely correct. I got answer from Daksh. Right, Drona, you are also correct. Daksh,
Ma'am, who got first and second?
you only had the correct answer given by you and Drona given second. Where is Daksh? I didn't see Daksh.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sending.
Yeah, please, Nana. So what number you should divide? That is important.
Ma'am, 12.
Ma'am, so it would be 3, ma'am.
So 12. Why?
Ma'am,
Because
answer is 3, but 12
just
we need to
before
divide.
only we did
Yes,
the
ma'am.
same.
I'm 12.
12. So here
Yes,
also,
ma'am.
if you divide with the 12 table, how many times 36?
Ma'am,
Nana?
3,
3 is a.
3 is there. So that's all, Nana. You just write it as 3. Now,
Ma'am, you can give more, ma'am.
yes, we will go with part.
Yes.
Here, you need to check whether given fractions are equivalent or not. First you try your own method, children. I will give you a simple technique for this. 5 by
Okay, ma'am.
9 is equal to 30 by 54 or not. You need to check. Check whether both are equal or not.
Okay, ma'am.
Check both are equal or not. Equal or not.
Yes, ma'am, it's correct, ma'am.
Very good. Is it correct, children?
Yes, ma'am, it is, ma'am.
So you see 5, how many?
Ma'am, 5, 6 are 30.
Hmm.
Ma'am,
Nine.
and down it's 12, ma'am. Oh, sorry, ma'am. 6, ma'am.
6,
9
ma'am.
6 are how much, Nana? 54.
Ma'am, 54, ma'am.
So it is true. Both are true, right?
Yes, ma'am, true, ma'am.
So what we can go? We can go with equal, right?
Equal,
Both are
ma'am.
true. In the same way, you check B bit also, children. 3 by
Okay, ma'am.
10, 3 by 10 and 12 by 50.
3 4 the 10 5 the 3 4 the
Ma'am, 3 4s are 12
Ah.
and 10 5s are 50, ma'am.
So it is
So
not
not
same
equal,
number.
ma'am. It should
So
be 3 or 5, ma'am, both equal.
You should, if it is multiplied in numerator 4 and means denominator also should get 4.
Yes, ma'am.
But here what happens? It is 5, it is
5
4.
and 4, ma'am.
And 5s are, but
Not equal, Nana. Both are
Not equal, ma'am.
not equal, ma'am.
Yes, very good.
Ma'am,
That
ma'am,
is-
denominator is
I must send
greater
a
than the
message.
numerator, ma'am.
Okay, I'm checking. Very good. Yes, Daksh, you are correct. They are equal.
Ma'am, instead of 12, it should have been 15, ma'am. Then only it would have been correct.
Exactly. What should be if denominator should be, okay, either it should be 15 or
Ma'am, 40.
Ma'am, it should have been
40 denominator or 15 numerator.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Yes, both are not equal. You can write, keep a small message, not equal. This is not equal to symbol, children. If you put that, I will write in the blank, not equal, because you are two small kids. Maybe you didn't get that sign set. Shall I give one more, children?
Yes, ma'am, you can.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, 7 by 13 and 5 by 11. 7 by 13 and 5 by 11.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. It's
No.
not possible.
Very good.
Ma'am, in 5 table is not, I mean 7's table, 5 is not there, ma'am.
Very good, children. Or else one small technique I will give children. Please remember that technique. If any two fractions you need to compare, go with cross multiplication, Nana. Go with cross multiplication. 11 sevens
Okay,
are
ma'am.
11 sevens are
Ma'am,
77.
77.
13 fives are 75. Right, Nana?
Yes.
Ma'am, 65, no?
Sorry, 65. So is both are same 77 and 65?
No, ma'am.
So which is greater? This
Ma'am,
fraction.
77 is greater,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am, that's great.
Like that you need to compare, children. This is one.
Ma'am,
of
but we can just check that 5 is not in 7th table, right, ma'am?
that is also true. Sometimes which is greater than like that. If that type of questions, only two fractions is given, you go with cross multiplication. Children.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? This is one simple technique for you. Please remember that part. When you want to compare two fractions, you go with cross multiplication. That's all.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. Shall we go with another concept, reduction of fractions in simplest form? Children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Very good. All your answers are correct. I can see your answers and I'm appreciating you people.
Okay.
Next one. Reduce the following fractions into simplest form. This is simplest form, Nana. Simplest form.
Ma'am, questions, ma'am?
I will give. Simplest form of a fraction or reducing into lowest form. These are the varieties of words given like that, children. Everything is same. Simplest form or reducing into lowest form. Reducing into lowest form. These all are same, children. Simplest form or reducing into lowest form. Any type of word is given in the examination, you need to do the same thing. You need to make out. You love to play out game, right, children?
Yes, ma'am. Out.
We are playing here out game.
Ma'am, in maths, how will we play out, ma'am?
Let me. So what is 48 and 60? Is it what type of numbers? Which table commonly divides here?
2, ma'am.
Ma'am, 2.
Ma'am.
Okay, 2 table, you know. So can I write it as 2 into
Yes.
2 ones are 2 fours are and 2 30 times. Who is common, children? I find who is common here.
2.
2, ma'am.
So I'm taking out because you are coming in both numerator and denominator, though I'm making out 2. Next 14.
Okay.
14 can I take it as 2 into 7, right?
Yes, ma'am.
30 can be written as
Yes, ma'am.
15.
Ma'am.
7s.
Who is here out?
Ma'am, 2.
2 should be out. Very good. Because it is hiding on numerator and denominator. We will see that we are catching out and we are
Yes, ma'am.
out. What is left over, children, here?
Ma'am, 7 by 15, ma'am.
7 and 15. You see 7 and 15 will go in any common table?
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
Except one table, no other table.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So we know that 7 is a prime number. The factors of 7 are 1 into 7. That's all. Only 2 factors.
Ma'am, so we can call this method out method, ma'am.
No, for your understanding, I'm giving, children. You need elimination here. How we are game eliminate, how we are in games we are eliminating. Like that, common factors should be eliminated.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next. So 15 can be written as what are the common factors for 15? 15, 3, 15.
Ma'am, 1, 3, 5.
5 and 15.
Now except 1 is only common factor. That's why
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
only reduced form now. Always.
Ma'am, we need to reduce until we get the 1 as the common factor.
Right. That is only the thing. Only common factor should be 1. No other common factor should happen for your lowest form. Then only it is reduced, or else we need to still further do the steps. Okay. Yes, you need to again take who is going to eliminate like that. You need to think and do. Next here 150 divided by 60, children.
Okay.
Come on, by seeing it since numerator denominator, who is eliminated?
5.
No.
10.
Okay, of course it is 5 table.
5.
Very
Or
good.
5
or 10.
Okay, 5 How many times?
Ma'am, but 10 is not prime number.
10 is, or else one more simple technique, children. Now listen first, then we will go with 5 table. See, children, if any end digits are zeros are happening, you need to eliminate first these two. Only 0 will happen, that time only you need to eliminate, children. Okay.
Okay,
Now,
ma'am.
what is the simplest form? You will get 15 and 6. 15 and
Yes,
6
ma'am.
further will, who is hiding 15 can be written as how
3,
many?
ma'am. 3 can
Very
be
good.
Ma'am, 3, ma'am.
3
Ma'am,
fives
3
are.
2s are 6, ma'am, and 3 5s are 50.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
3 twos are. So, who is
Ma'am,
out?
common is 3, ma'am.
Very good. We have to eliminate out. So, what is the answer, children?
Ma'am, 5 by 2.
Yes,
That's
ma'am.
all. That's all. Can I give questions to you, children? Can you do?
Yes, ma'am. We are clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Please, you make out.
Ma'am, 1 second, can I write?
Out, elimination method, out method, simplest form, reducing into lowest form. These are the words, keywords to remember. We are playing games out, right, children? Same like
Ma'am,
that.
we're playing games and maths, ma'am.
Math is a game only, children. It's a big game. If you understand, you will enjoy, or else you will cry. You can enjoy the game, children, always. You feel very comfortable. Math. Math is a lively subject. There's 3 students, 3, please do everything. Yes.
Ma'am, we'll give you in chat, ma'am.
Yes, you can put in chart, or else all 3 together you can put it in chart also, children. 12 by 52 and the EBT 7 by 28. All 3 should be given by all 3 people.
Ma'am, Daksh left, ma'am.
Daksh have maybe network issue. He again trying to join.
Ma'am, then can I answer the question, ma'am?
Yes, yes, Drona.
Yes, ma'am. Then we can just tell, ma'am.
Yeah, Drona.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, which is out in this C bit, Drona?
Ma'am, 2 is divisible with the both numbers, ma'am.
Very good. The 2 divisibility rule we can apply. So half of 84 means how much, Nana?
Ma'am.
8 half means 4.
Ma'am.
4 half means 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, the same way denominator also please check like that.
Yes, ma'am.
So 2 table. 2 half of, Nana, half of 90 means 98 means you take.
Ma'am, 49, ma'am.
Very good. 49. Daksh joined.
And 2 into 40. Yes, ma'am, he joined. Ma'am, but he left again, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The continuously network issue, I think so.
Ma'am, again he joined.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. It's 49, ma'am.
49.
Ma'am, 2 into
Now,
4.
who is out in this game?
Ma'am, 2.
2. Now you can check 42 and 49 will go in which table?
7.
Very good. 7 how many times?
Ma'am, 7 6 are 42.
Very
7
good.
7 are 49.
Who is out now?
Ma'am, 7.
Very
7.
good. What is lowest form?
Ma'am, 6 by 7, ma'am.
Wonderful, Drona. Good job. Next
Thank you, ma'am.
question goes to very big question. You said, and I think you will be do little big sums also. Now I'm going with
Thank you, ma'am.
Yadharth.
Yes, ma'am.
Yadharth. By seeing only, if you know tables perfectly, you go with big tables also.
Ma'am, 2, ma'am.
Okay, you want to go with the 2. Okay, 2 6 times. 2 into 6, right? 52 can be written as 2 into half of 52.
26. 26.
26. So who is out right now?
Ma'am, 2.
Very good. What is numerator? Can again further, please. Can I go 2 3s are 6?
Yes, ma'am. 2 3s are and
2 26. 26, half of 26.
Ma'am, 13.
13.
Very good, 13. Now who is out?
Ma'am, 2.
Very good. Now what is our simplest form, Nana?
Ma'am, 3 by 13.
That's all. If you know directly tables, you go with direct 12 table, children. I think not whole table. Which table? Sorry, just a minute. Next of all, Daksh is there in the room, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, is there, ma'am.
Daksh, which one E bit can we cancel with 7 table? Yes or no, Daksh? Can I write it as 7 ones or 7 fours or? Yes? Daksh?
You're in mute, Daksh.
Ma'am.
Yeah, can we write it as 7 ones or 7 eights or 7 fours or?
Yes, ma'am. We can.
So who is cancelled here? Who is
Ma'am,
out?
7.
What is left over?
Ma'am, 1/4.
Yes, this is the way we can reduce into simplest form or lowest form of the fraction, children. Okay, hope you can clear, children. Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
Can I give some small match the following concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you need to match, children. Your task is there. This is your work. You should complete and come. Next class, we will go with operations, Nana. Operations means it's not a surgery. We are going with what? Fraction operations means fractions, addition, subtraction.
Okay.
Don't think ma'am is telling tomorrow operations means you need to think it's not a science operation, it's a math operation.
Ma'am, it's not. Ma'am, how will science get into maths, ma'am?
Math operations are different. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, children. Science operation means today my grandfather was got a surgery. He got an operation. Means that's something.
Okay.
Yes, children. You understand right now?
Yes, ma'am, I understand.
Okay. Now my task is.
Ma'am, Drona left also, ma'am.
250. He will come maybe.
Okay.
250 by 400. You need to match, children. And
Ma'am, 50 table.
Anything. You have to 180 by 200. Then here.
Ma'am, that's 20 table.
660 by. Don't think little big, children. You have to zeros. You make out. First eliminate zeros.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you feel little comfort and easy to. 180 by 360.
Ma'am, now only we have to do our next class.
Next class I will ask you.
Okay.
Then you do as a homework because other class students are waiting. We will discuss in next class the question answer part. Last number is 220 divided by 550. You need to match with numbers like 2 by 3. I'm giving 2 by 3 is the first one. Second one is 2 by 5. Third one is right side and left side. You have to write, children. Then it is easy for you. 1 by 2 and 5 by 8 and 9 by 10. 9 by 10. You need to match the following, children. Yes?
Yes, I have noted it all down.
Okay, children. Okay, children, we'll meet in next class.
Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am, I'll write.
Okay, please write, Nana. I'm waiting. I want to make a complete part in the screen. That's fine. Okay. Numerator one is 2 by 3, children. This is 2 by 3. Don't think it's a 2 by 3. You need to bring with matching complete and bring with next class. We'll discuss, children, different types of fractions. We will go and comparing how to compare fractions, like and unlike fractions. And then at last we will go with operations. Okay, children, shall we end up?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am.
Okay. Daksh, any doubts, Daksh?
No, ma'am.
Very good, Nana. If you have any doubts, please share free with me. You can ask personally.
Okay, ma'am, I completed writing.
Okay, right. Right, children, bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Ma'am, today only less people joined.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye, children.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice
Bye,
day.
bye, Nana. Bye. See you.
Bye, ma'am.